Effective methods and skills for TOEFL listening. Many people learn TOEFL listening by listening a lot, transcribing a lot, and still making mistakes. TOEFL listening doesn't test good listening skills, but tests how you process information when listening. The truth about TOEFL listening. Cannot replay audio, fixed speed, large amount of information. Therefore, listening to the whole thing isn't as important as understanding correctly. Core principles. Listen purposefully, not passively. You don't need to memorize everything. You need to remember exactly what TOEFL asks. 5-step method for achieving the TOEFL exam. Number 1. Identify the type of exercise from the start. As soon as you listen, conversation equals problem plus solution. Lecture equals topic plus main points. Knowing what you're listening to equals your brain filters information faster. Number 2. Listen for structure, not details. Focus on main idea, reason/example, cause/effect, comparison. Ignore data, supplementary examples, individual names. Note down the meaning, not the sentence. Write down keywords, logical arrows, personal symbols. Do not write down complete sentences, difficult vocabulary that you don't understand. Note down to remember the meaning, not for aesthetics. Number 4. Predict questions while listening. While listening, ask yourself, what is this section used for? Is this the main point? Could there be an inference? Active listening helps you react quickly when faced with questions. 5 types of trapped answers. Common incorrect answers are correct details but wrong meaning, correct meaning but not allowed to be said, confusing speakers. TOEFL listening traps are very subtle but very consistent. Specific skills to practice. Recognizing shifts in meaning. However, on the other hand, what this means is often signals an important question. Distinguishing the speaker's attitude. Neutral, skeptical, enthusiastic. Frequently asks about attitude or purpose. Remembering the role of examples. Examples are used to illustrate, argue, supplement, not to be memorized. Mistakes that make it difficult to improve your listening score. Taking notes too long, chasing after vocabulary, losing focus for 10 to 15 seconds, not reviewing mistakes after completing the test. Conclusion. You don't need to listen to everything in TOEFL listening. You need to listen selectively. Understanding structure is more important than details. If you can hear but often make mistakes, can't remember what you just heard, have trouble with notes, then change your listening method, not your headphones.